I got some peanuts, unsalted peanuts for the birds and the squirrels. I'll show you who came to visit. I've got a bunch of these little, see the peanut shells? You see all the little birdies. Anyhow, these bluebirds with the tail, blue jays, they come out and they eat all the peanuts. I thought I'd just feed squirrels, but the birds come to eat the peanuts. There they hide in my bush. You can see the snow melted. Trash day, got the trash out. I gotta get those fire starters. And I gotta get some pill pockets for the doggies. All right, it's Monday, January 8th. I went and got my flu shot and my COVID vaccine and had my blood and urine drawn. All right, gathering place. Hey Kona, hey Cara. Happy New Year.